Good morning, dear students. Previous lecture में આપણે kinetic energy, total energy and potential energy વિશે સ્ટડી કરેલું છે. Kinetic energy 1/2 k a square minus x square. Omega square is equal to k upon m. And k ની સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ તો m omega square. Okay, તો 1/2 m omega square a square minus x square. Now, potential energy. The potential energy PE is equal to 1/2 k x square, and total energy TE is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy plus kinetic energy, this is the 1/2 k a square. This is the constant value. This is a constant value. Okay, now we study the illustration number 9. In case of a simple harmonic motion, what fraction of total energy is kinetic and what fraction is potential energy when the displacement is 1/2 of its amplitude? Now, fraction of kinetic energy, this is FKE is equal to KE upon TE. The ratio of kinetic energy and total energy, this gives us fraction of kinetic energy. Now the kinetic energy is just like that, 1/2 k a square minus x square, and total energy is 1/2 k a square. So 1/2 cancel, k cancel, so FKE is equal to a square minus x square upon a square. This is the fraction of kinetic energy. And what it said, what fraction is potential when the displacement? Yes, when the displacement x is equal to displacement 1/2 of its amplitude. The given is x is equal to a by 2. Put in this equation FKE. So this is a square minus x ની જગ્યાએ આપણે મૂકીએ a square by 2, તો a square by 4 upon a square. 4 a square minus a square, 3a square by 4a square. A square cancel, this is the 3 by 4. This is called FK. At what displacement the kinetic and potential energies are equal? Okay, at what displacement the kinetic and potential energies are equal? So we have to find out. Now I want to find out fraction of potential energy. This is very simple, huh? As we find the fraction of kinetic energy, what do we do? Kinetic energy upon total energy. Here the potential energy upon total energy. This is very simple. What if potential energy is equal to 1/2 k x square and total energy is equal to 1/2 k a square. So 1/2 k is cancelled. So FPE is equal to x square upon a square. Okay, and at x is equal to a by 2, this is the a square by 4 cancel. So FPE 1 by 4. Okay, so this is a fraction of potential energy. B, at what displacement the kinetic energy and the potential energy are equal? Yes, here the given condition is such that kinetic energy is equal to potential energy. What is the equation of formula of kinetic energy? This is the 1/2 k x square minus a square minus x square. What is the formula of potential energy? This is 1/2 kx square. Okay, so 1/2 થઈ ગયા cancel, a square minus x square. This one is here the 1/2 x square. So a square is equal to 2x square and x is equal to a upon under root 2. This one is plus or minus. Why? Because the amplitude is plus and minus both. Okay, so at x is equal to plus or minus a by a upon under root 2, at this time potential energy and kinetic energy both are equal. This is most important for the MCQ. When we ask in the exam at what displacement the kinetic and potential energy both are equal, so this answer is x is equal to plus or minus a upon under root 2. Okay, yes. चलो આગળ જઈએ છીએ આપણે દોસ્તો. Illustration 10. Now what is the illustration 10? A particle starts oscillating simple harmonic from its equilibrium position with the time period t. Determine the ratio of kinetic energy and potential energy of the particle t is equal to t by 2. Okay, આપણને શું કીધું છે? Determine the ratio. We have to find out the kinetic energy we have to find out the ratio. Okay, at t is equal to t by 12. એટલે કે આપણે આ ટાઈમ at a time t is equal to t by 2 we have to find out kinetic and potential energy ratio. First of all I will find out આ બંનેમાં આપણે જરૂર શું છે? What we need in this formula, first of all we need x. Okay, and equation of x is equal to a sin omega t. You can say y. Okay, it doesn't matter. So x is equal to a sin 2 pi upon t, and time is given t by 12, very most. Okay, so t cancel, here the 2, here the 6. So x is equal to a sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6, what is the meaning? What is the value of sin pi by 6? Sin 30, 1 by 2. So x is equal to a by 2. Okay, now put in this ratio ke upon pe. Ke is equal to 1/2 a square minus x square, 1/2 sorry k 1/2 ka square. So when cancel, so this is kinetic energy and potential energy. So a square minus x square upon a square. So here I put x a square minus a square by 4 divided by a square. So this one is 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. Okay, चलो આપણે રફ કરી નાખીએ. Next चलो एक बार चेक कर लूँ व्यवस्थित चालू है कि नहीं. ओके, चलो હવે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલમાં જઈએ છીએ. ઇલાસ્ટ્રેશન 11. Okay, what is the statement? The potential energy of particle executing simple harmonic motion is 2.5 joule. TE is equal to 2.5 joule. When its displacement of half of the amplitude, yes, its displacement x, it is half of its amplitude a by 2. What is the maximum kinetic energy and minimum potential energy? We have to find out the Ke maximum. And when Ke maximum, always U U is equal to potential energy. Potential energy is minimum. Pe is minimum. Okay. So both we have to find out. And here the given is okay. This value is given 2.5 joule of potential energy. Okay. So Ke maximum. We discuss about Ke maximum when we studied a theory of kinetic energy, and this is a 1/2 Ka square. Okay, this is 1/2 Ka square. Okay. Potential energy છે તો આપણે એક કામ કરીએ. This is a total energy. This is equation of total energy. Now potential energy equation is 1/2 kx square. So 1/2 kx is equal to a by 2. So a square by 4. Okay. We put x is equal to a by 2. So this is a square by 4. So this one is 1 by 4 into 1/2 Ka square. Okay. So this one is potential energy, and I can write 1/2 Ka square is equal to Ke maximum. The maximum value of kinetic energy. This is 1/2 Ka square. Okay. So subject આપણે બનાવી દઈશું. Ke maximum is equal to 2 into potential energy. What is the potential energy equation? This is a 2. Yes, 2.5. Okay, so answer is okay, sorry, this is 1 by 4. 4 multiply માં આવશે. Okay. Now illustration 12. A harmonic oscillator of force constant 4 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter. So K is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per meter. Amplitude A is given 0.0 meter. Has a total energy TE. Total energy is equal to E is equal to, this is a 240 joule. What is the maximum kinetic energy and minimum potential energy? I can write E is equal to, if K maximum at this time, U minimum. Okay. तो K maximum तो આપણને આરામથી મળી જાય. K maximum is equal to 1/2 Ka square. Okay, 1/2 Ka square. So 1/2 K is given 4 into 10 raised to 6. A is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 2, तो whole square 1 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, तो यहाँ 2 cancel. 2 into 10 raised to minus plus 4. So this is the K maximum. Okay, this one is K maximum, 2 into 10 raised to 4. Okay, just I check. Okay, here 10 raised to 1 into 10 raised to minus 4, here the 10 raised to 2, and this one is 200 joule. Now what is the U minimum? U minimum is equal to, very simple, total energy minus kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy. So U minimum is equal to E. E is equal to what? E is equal to given, yes, this is 240. 240 minus 200, so this one is 40 joule. So this is the value of minimum potential energy. Okay, now illustration 13. the potential energy of particle oscillating on x-axis u is equal to 20 plus x minus 2 of whole square. Okay, here u is in joule and x in meter. Total mechanical energy of particle is, total mechanical energy means this is given the total energy. Mechanical energy means total energy. This is 36 joule. Okay, state whether the motion of particle is a simple harmonic or not. Okay, તો આપણે એવું પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે કે this equation is for the simple harmonic motion, and for this I first take integration of du with respect to, and this gives us f. So differentiation of constant, it will be 0. Okay, here 2x minus 2, and differentiation of these terms, this one is 1 because x with respect to x 1, this one is 0. Okay, so here okay, f is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, this is the equation of frequency. Yes, तो आज इक्वेशन છે. अच्छा, મટીરિયલની અંદર આ રીતે અઝ્યુમ કરેલું છે. This is 2 x minus 2, this is x. So this equation is compared with this equation x. This is k is equal to force constant. Okay, spring constant. So f is equal to, so this equation is for simple harmonic okay, simple harmonic equation. Now second, find the mean position. Okay, simple. At mean position x is equal to 0. Okay, the mean position of the particle, this one x is equal to 0. So capital, this is the capital, this is the capital. So x is equal to, we take x minus 2 આપણે લીધેલું હતું, અહીંયા 0 મૂકી દઈએ. So x minus 2, so x is equal to શું થશે? 2 meter. Okay, x is equal to શું થાય? 2 meter. અગર જોઈએ આપણે તો આવી ગયો આપણે, which gives us x is equal to 2 meter. Okay, now find the maximum kinetic energy of particle. તો મેક્સિમમ કાઇનેટિક એનર્જી મારે ફાઇન્ડ કરવી છે. તો u is equal k maximum is equal to, this is the 1/2 ka square. Okay, અચ્છા ઓકે, આપણને છે ને u મિનિમમ છે એ the 20 u મિનિમમ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવું પડે કે નહીં દોસ્તો? હે ઓકે, અચ્છા તમે એક વસ્તુ વિચારો, આપણે જ્યારે ટોપિક ચલાવ્યું હતું બરાબર ને, ત્યારે થોડું ડિસ્કશન એ બાબત થયું હતું કે ક્યારે યુ મિનિમમ હોય, ક્યારે કે મેક્સિમમ હોય, ક્યારે કે મિનિમમ હોય, ક્યારે યુ મેક્સિમમ હોય. તો યુ મિનિમમ ક્યારે હશે બોલો? યસ, યુ મિનિમમ વેન ઇટ્સ રીચ ટુ મીન પોઝિશન. ઓકે, તો મીન પોઝિશનને શું છે? એક્સ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 2 મીટર, એન્ડ ધીસ વેલ્યુ આની અંદર મૂકી દેવાની, સબસ્ટિટ્યુટ ઇન ધીસ ઇક્વેશન. So 2 minus 2, x is equal to 2, substitute 2 minus 2, this gives us u minimum. U minimum is equal to 20 joule at mean position. Okay, so u minimum, so total energy energy is equal to ke maximum minus u minimum. So k maximum ને સબ્જેક્ટ બનાવીએ આપણે, તો k maximum is equal to maximum plus sorry અહીંયા પ્લસ આવશે, this one is minus u minimum. Okay, so this is 36 minus 20 is equal to 16 joule. Okay, so answer will be 16 joule. Okay, next topic is oscillation of the spring block system. આપણે next time ચલાવશું. Thank you very much. Next time ફરીવાર મળ્યા. Okay, take care. Goodbye.